Y'all, we're making Cynful creamy mushroom rice today. Start out by melting butter in that pan. We're going to add onions and we're going to stir those up, cook them and sweat them until they're just starting to turn translucent. Then add our mushrooms. We're going to cook those down. Get them nice and soft. Add our Cynful burger spice. And continue to cook them until they're slightly browned and nice and soft. We're going to add part of our chicken broth here. And then we're going to scrape the bottom of the pan, get all that fond off the bottom. That's all flavor. Add the rest of the chicken broth. And the can of cream of mushroom soup. Stir that all together, then add your rice. Stir that in. And we're going to put a top on this. We're not going to take that top off for 20 minutes after it's boiled. Now see all that steam around there? That's what you're looking for. Turn it down to low and set your timer for 18 minutes. After 18 minutes, set it to 2 minutes and turn off the burner. Stir it all up. When you take the top off, add that parsley. You stir it some more, and that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a great side for just about anything. I do have a link for a printable recipe in the description. But here's your recipe anyway. I sure would like to thank you guys for showing up here in my kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.